Alright, so just a couple more examples here on multiplication of integers. And here I'm going to do negative 3 times 4 times negative 5, and then 5 times negative 1 times 8. So again, I'm just going to multiply these pairwise, so 2 at a time. Let's see, so if I do negative 3 times 4, let's see, I've got a negative times a positive. That's definitely going to give me a negative. 3 times 4 would be 12. So negative 3 times 4 will be negative 12, and then we'll just drop down our negative 5. Well, now we have a negative times a negative, which is going to be a positive, and then 12 times 5 will be 60. So it says our final solution here will be positive 60. Part B, we've got 5 times negative 1. Well, that's going to give us negative 5. We have a positive times a negative, so that'll be a negative. 5 and 1 is 5. Again, we'll just drop down our positive 8. Now we have a negative times a positive, which is a negative. 5 times 8 is going to be 40. So our solution, 5 times negative 1 times 8, when we multiply those together, we'll be left with negative 40. And again, it's certainly one of the most common mistakes to make are sign errors, positives and negatives, and it's easy to do, but obviously it's a big difference, right? Negative 40 is a much different number than positive 40. So one thing that I always try to be careful about is, it's easy to mix up sign mistakes. So a lot of times if I ever had, a problem on homework, if I was messing it up, a lot of times that would be the first place I would check.